The Nyex system is well suited to support the aquaculture industry. We have proven evidence that we can remove pesticides, herbicides, antibiotics and off-flavours.
The farming of fish is becoming increasingly larger portion of the protein intake in certain parts of the world. They're achieving this by concentrating the fish densities that are being used. But the big problem that they have is that by having fish in close proximity, then the chances of diseases spreading and passing from fish to fish are increasing. To combat that, they do use more pesticides and antibiotics within the fish farming process. The problem is you don't want those to stay within the water. Therefore, we're able to clean up that water, both for offshore applications, but also for onshore applications, where it's even more important because there's a lot of recycle of the water, so you can get a buildup of these in the water. The onshore industry also suffers from the potential problem that there can be odour-producing chemicals produced in the water, and these can then be recycled back, and those can actually taint the meat in the fish, so that the quality of the fish isn't as good. By using Nyex, we can absorb those odour-producing chemicals so that the water can be recycled back without tainting the fish.
The benefits of Arvia's proprietary technology is that we've combined electrochemistry and adsorption techniques. That means that we treat wastewater in situ. We don't create a secondary waste, we don't create a sludge, and we don't require any chemical dosing to create some good results for our clients.
I like Arvia's systems because they're quite simple. We just have to plug it in and run it. In terms of maintenance, that's quite minimal. There are very few moving parts.
It's eco-friendly. It doesn't require any chemical dosing. It doesn't create a toxic sludge, and it doesn't require any off-site treatment. It is envisaged by all of us that regulations will get tighter in the future, and Arvia's system is modular, so we can design for your process today and for the future.
Our system is doing great in treating herbicides and pesticides, so I would say we can do a great job in agricultural and aquacultural industry. We can treat water pretty effectively, and we have examples of that, the ongoing projects and the engagements with the current clients that we showed very high effective treatment of herbicides and pesticides.
There's a site that we're dealing with in Poland and across in South America as well, and their trials are looking positive.
We've demonstrated with many clients in many different industries that we're able to treat to very low levels, parts per billion and even parts per trillion.
The Nyex system will allow potential users to recover that water. It's like giving water a second chance. It can be reused back in the process. And the benefits to the environment are both from reduced abstraction, but also reduced discharges, which also impact the environment.